সোমবাৰে লাহৰীজানৰ ৰোজমেৰী ইংলিছ স্কুলৰ শিক্ষক শিক্ষয়িত্ৰীসহ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীয়ে বিশ্ব মহিলা দিৱসৰ লগত সংগতি ৰাখি লাহৰীজান ৰোজমেৰী ইংলিছ স্কুলত মহিলা দিৱস পালন কৰে। মুখ্য অতিথিৰূপে উপস্থিত থাকে মুছলিম ছাত্ৰ সন্থাৰ অসমৰ কেন্দ্ৰীয় সমিতি প্ৰচাৰক সম্পাদক আজাদ লস্কৰ সিং, লগতে স্কুলখনৰ প্ৰধান শিক্ষক ৰাজু ধৰ। অতিথি ভাষণত প্ৰধান শিক্ষকে নাৰী শক্তিক উচ্চ প্ৰশংসা কৰি নাৰী দিৱসৰ আন্তৰিক শুভেচ্ছা জ্ঞাপন কৰে। কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ পৰা মইনুল হুছেইন ওজাৰ ৰিপৰ্ট, MKPTV লাইভ।
आगे बढ़ने के लिए या समाज में मतलब टिके रहने के लिए हम लोगों ने रिसेंटली बहुत सारे केस ऐसे देखा है कि इतने सारे केस ऐसा हो गया तो नारियों के लिए मतलब बाहर निकलना मुश्किल। तो वो सारे चीज मतलब हम सबको एक साथ होकर आवाज उठाना है कि वो महफूज रहे। हाँ, ताकि उनके निकलने के लिए, बाहर जाने के लिए या कुछ काम करने के लिए कुछ ना हो, उन्हीं कहीं चीजों से छुटना ना हो, वो सुरक्षित रहे। सबसे बड़ी बात तो हमें उस चीज का ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि वो बाहर निकले तो उसका सुरक्षा के बारे में सोचना चाहिए, नारी की सुरक्षा के बारे में। सबसे बड़ी बात कि आज वो लोग सुरक्षित नहीं है। तो मेरी एक ही ख्वाहिश है,
all life we were never stay to compare it. We were never staying in their comparison to do the comparisons. So they are the creator of us. We came from them only. So we never rely on the comparisons. If you see the strength of men and women, you will find that the men are much stronger than the women. But if you see the endurance and patience which they possess, you'll find that the man is much lacking behind that one. If you compare the endurance and patience, if you give the forgiveness and sacrifice, they are much high in the higher level in compare with the men. So, so when we talk about women, the first four women, it came to our mind. That's our mother first, and then sister, then wife, and then daughter. And everyone played a very crucial role in our life. In our life, they sacrifice a lot. They sacrifice a lot. They never think of their life to build our life. So mother. So the greatest example from from my practical life, I can say about mother, right? It's mother is a feeling, just you cannot express by mind, you cannot express by thoughts. It's just an feelings that could be expressed by heart. So a famous uh, poet was there, Munawar Rana. You know, not don't know, I don't know, but he is a great shair. He's a great shair, and unfortunately, he lost his life in this lockdown period. Munawar Rana. He expresses mother. He expresses the feeling of mother in such a manner. It's just awesomatic. It's just awesome.
मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी आज से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी छू के देखो दिल मेरा तुम्हें दिल में अपने बदलूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी तुमको नहीं करती सारी रात दोपहरी तक ढलते नहीं चलूंगी सैंडल चला के सैंडल दिखा के मर मर के नहीं चलूंगी कदम मिला के देखो तो मैं साथ में तेरे चलूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मन तो वाली बात कह के मुझे फिर समझ के बेचोगे उन बाजारों में तेरी मैं नस्लों को मिटा दूंगी जिस दुनिया में माँ बहनी रिश्ते नहीं मैंने काली है उस दुनिया से मर्यादा के रिश्ते सारे तोड़ूंगी नजर बदल के देखो तो मैं नजर नहीं लगने दूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तो मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी
Today we are celebrating Women's Day because in our school, Rosemary English High School, since it is very important, especially in this locality which is located in Lahorijan, where the women's condition is very weak, and from a very young age we want the students to make them aware and educate them about women empowerment. Since in this community, in this locality, the people are mostly from the weaker community where the ladies are lacking behind. So my motive is to organize this program Women's Day is to make the children who are coming to our school from this weaker section of the society, to make them aware that girls can achieve anything they want, and educate them about their importance in every spheres of community, because they, especially in our community, I belong from a Muslim community, so I want them to know that there are many schemes, programs, and scope for them which they can cope up with when they grow up. So it will take time, we know, but from a young age, if they have interest, when they come to know that this kind of things are there, they can do much well. Since in my 20 years of experience, I have seen here the girls have lot of potential to do many things, but because they lack knowledge, they can't move ahead. So empowering them with education will help them to overcome this obstacle and move forward and become a successful woman. And one more important message that we want to give on this special day is to make the young children um, aware about women's empowerment, respecting encouraging them, and the most important of all, safeguarding them and protecting them. That's all I would like to end my speech. Thank you so much.